Hayi umngane wami. Yabona njengoba kunjena nje. Kukhona ukuxhaphazeka okunje la emhlabeni. Sishoniswa le. Khulileka. Akuvelanga kwaba nje. Khona bayitshela ukuthi basile. Uyezwa? Bathatha izaqheqhe. Base beshiya umlaza bawushiyela ama messages. Lalela. Ithuluzi lokulungisa impilo yakho, ufeza amaphupho akho. Ufulfile i-cosmic purpose ekwenza ukuthi ube la uphila impilo enokuthula. Lelo thuluzi lelo ligodlwe abathile. Uyezwa? Ligodlwe abathile balisebenzisa ke. Balisebenzisa against wena. Lento ifana nokuthi kuthathwe isikhali kuwena sakho bese lesi sikhali sisetshenziswa against you. Ayizwa leyo nto? Ngoba le knowledge kwakuvele kuyiknowledge ukuthi wena uyisebenzise ukuze wena ukwazi ukufulfilla i-cosmic purpose yakho yokuba la. Wawunikiwe imanual, awuvelanga wabeka la. Kodwa khona abayitshela ukuthi basile. Whether they are deities, whether they are entities, whether they are physical people, but the thing is khona abayitshela ukuthi basile over you, over okhokho bakho ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini. Noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Zikhona ke indaba ezimnandi kulento engishoyo. Bakhona abasala. Babamba leli qiniso base belicascade kuma messages ngoba leli qiniso la bese lishintshwa time to time lashintshwa la weaponizwa. Yes, ukuze wena uzozidla umsila njengenyoka. Yayizwa lonto. Umthetho wokuqala kuma hermetic principles, hermetic philosophy, it is the law of mentalism. Umthetho wokuqala lo uthi the universe is mental. Okusho ukuthi if you want to change your life, if you want to change your reality, all is here. But they used that information against you. Let me confirm something before ngiqhubeka ngoba ngibona ngathi le phone ifuna ukulo ikhatha la ngenxa ye network. Kuyenzeka ngiqede ivideo kanti angisekho audible. Isezwakala. Okay. Iyodwa ke into abasebeyisebenzisa. They tamper with your reality through lemthetho ewu7.